West. Racking up on my bread, power on me. I'm feeling just like a Tesla. Too much tree, the smoke is making my chest hurt. Girl on me, I'm thinking I should've rest her. Hey,
let's just pretend I wasn't awake and I was just to get it short. Like, I literally went back to bed just to take this, like, bed scene, like, covers up, like, moments, like that kind of stuff. Good morning, you guys. It is a beautiful day, and a beautiful day comes with beautiful meals. Today I'm going to show you guys what I eat in a day. Something that's a little bit healthy and not healthy at the same time, because girl, we went shopping a few days ago and the house is restocked. So you know what it means when I say the house is restocked. We are restocked. So come with me for a day in my life, what I eat in a day vlog. So I recently just had breakfast. I'm so sorry I forgot to film the breakfast making process. All I ate was my Nesquik jumbo size cereal. This is what I ate, and to be honest, it was actually really good. It's kind of like Cocoa Pops, but like different. This was actually like milky cocoa, and I used it with carnation milk because the girl is girling right now. I'm gonna make breakfast right now. Yeah. This is what I'm making. I'm making potatoes. I have a bowl of water and I have a regular bowl, just because like I think I already started peeling potato already. And yeah, I'll put to see you guys when I'm done peeling the potato. And I also have a coconut. I don't know, I have a video to film on the coconut later, and then I'm going to peel my potatoes, this, and then I'm going to have this. I also have like sardines. First, I have cream cheese dip for my carrots, my baby carrots, and my baby cucumbers. I also have yellow pepper, and I have ketchup right there. My cucumbers are really nice. I have an egg with dry pepper and salt. And I have potatoes, yellow potatoes, I think it wasn't seasoned with salt. It's not salted. So yeah, hen's ketchup as always. There's no ketchup as nice as hen's ketchup. So eating brekkie, quick midnight quick morning snack. You know, as a girl, you should not be eating plenty. That's why I'm having a quick breakfast. I have 2 more hours left before my meeting. I have a meeting like. Coming closer. It's been a hell of a ride, but every single moment you were there by my side. Whenever you make me feel low. Cheers. So something devastating really happened to me like just now, and to be honest, I'm embarrassed, but I don't want to feel too embarrassed because it's not my fault. I didn't do anything wrong. So the meeting that I actually scheduled for today, the digital diaries Zoom meeting, nobody came. And if you're watching this video, it really pained me, it really hurt me. Why? You could have just sent me an email like you weren't able to attend, or maybe you forgot. Honestly, genuinely, if you forgot, that's fine. I forget things also, and I wasn't even prepared for the meeting. I was like really rushing, but still, I was there. That's all that matters. Like I was there, prepared with everything. I even had had everything ready for the meeting and after the meeting, and what I wanted to give out after the meeting, and the emails I would have sent out. But you know, Black people. So yeah, I think I'm gonna just move past this, because anything can happen, and I don't blame you. Something came up, but I mean, a message could have still been sent. So I think I'll just like go on with my day and eat and show you guys what I'm going to eat. Now I'm going to have a banana because I'm hungry. Like I'm starving, I'm tired, I'm so hungry. Like I'm like wrenched. Like my stomach is like in pain and agony because yesterday we had planks in VZ, and boy, Thanks are not the easiest thing to do. I'm going to show you guys my outfit of the day. I wore something nice. Just did my hair like this. I even lined my lips for goodness sake. My mom even wanted to borrow me a shirt. And you guys didn't even end up coming for the meeting. My lips look so black, but... And then the funny thing is, I really looked forward to this meeting. Like, I actually looked forward to this meeting. Because, I don't know, like...
Recording stop.
Hi guys, so my sister made this, an ice cream sandwich. Oh my god, this is a cookie. I'll put the details on the screen. This is a brown sugar cookie, I think. We have a strawberry swirl ice cream, as you can see. So good. I can't wait to try it. Oh. The cookie is a little bit too crunchy, but it's so good, you guys. Simple as that. Thanks so much for watching, and comment down below if you like what I did in kind of videos. I hope this video wasn't too chaotic because I think
Silhouettes, racking up on my breath.
Bye.
Power on me, I'm feeling just like a Tesla. Too much tree, the smoke is making my chest hurt. Girl on me, I'm thinking I should've rest her. Hey, I'm thinking I should've rest.